Today we are comparing a ceramic coating product and a sealant. They're different kinds of products, but we know they have a similar purpose, which protects the car body from environmental effects. In the water repellency test, I'm trying to give equal water droplets to both sides. The main impulse in water repellency is the contact angles of water droplets. If you were a car coating manufacturer, just send us a sample and we can make you a video about your products. The stain test is very similar to the water repellency test. You can see the application videos of the products at the end of the video. If fewer water droplets spreads broadly on the surface, there will be fewer stains and they'll be more temporary. As you see, the 9-hour Mr.Fix is much better. We make scratches with a lighter. I will share the name and price of the products, and purchase links will be available in the comments below. I hit both sides, but on camera, you might not see them clearly. Scratches on the upside are small. However, on the Swissvax side, the scratches are larger and more distinctive. The winner of the match is Mr.Fix, who takes the total of 9 points. If you want to see the new products, please leave some comments about it. New videos will be added weekly. If you like and subscribe, it will be so helpful for us to use more different products and reach a wider audience.